So in order to create an in-car schedule with Colibri, you are going on the side in-car schedule, and then here you can create an in-car schedule using the create appointment button. Using the calendar here, you can change the view as well if you want to. So for today, I'm going to create one as an example over here. So just click on the time that you want to schedule the in-car appointment. Then you are going to select your student. You will see the lesson available for the student. In that case, I'm going to book a P2. If you need to add an extra student, you just have to turn on the switch here and select a second student that is going to attend to the same lesson. If you don't need that, then you turn it off. By default, the system will follow the number of hours associated with the lesson you selected. In that case, it's 1 hour. Then you can select the vehicle that the instructor is going to use. If you have a specific pickup location other than the school, you can enter the detail over here. You can choose as well a color for your booking. You can add a note if you need to. And once it's done, you click Create.